First of all, I am to thankful my honorable teacher. My name is Janatul Ma and my batch number is 52. My ID number is 1964. Today, I am talking about why so many Bangladeshi students take IELTS. IELTS is not just for test. It's a dream, opportunity and struggle for a better future. The education problem is Bangladesh. In our country, every year, millions of students complete their graduation. But problem is, jobs are so limited. Government jobs are extremely competitive because thousands of candidates fight for few posts. Corporate jobs are available, but problem is so many companies focus on skill more than certificate. The middle class primarily always thinking about education is the only way to achieve success, but sometimes degree is not enough to achieve success. Why so many people take IELTS? Because IELTS is the faster way to achieve success. IELTS always check our real skill like speaking, writing, reading, and listening. Better job market like abroad pay more and focus our skill and upper growth. And middle class and also social and family pressure. In our country, primarily obtaining encourage their children to go abroad because they also thinking about I'll go abroad in better life and easier success. Skill-based education in our country is so low, but they are having one hidden truth. The hidden truth is IELTS is not enough to survive another country. IELTS is important and skill is equally important. Without skill, we can't survive another country. That's why we need to improve our skill, communication, and adaptability. In conclusion, our systematic don't provide us proper guideline. That's why we encourage ourselves to take IELTS. Thank you so much.